connection line L4 to Barceloneta in 5 minutes.
What's up, colleague? It's your turn. My night shift just ended. I'm going to sleep now.
Thanks. I wish I could sleep as well.
Seeing your face says it all. I'm only here for like 2 months, but it's painful. Good luck, mate.
Always stopping. I'm going to get late yet another time. These subway drivers can kiss my middle finger.
Yes, it's getting annoying.
Please do not enter the doors past signal. Thank you.
Oh no. I'm going to miss the subway. Let's try to enter fast. Finally, some peace. These 30 minutes pauses, with no one around, are priceless. My shift will end tonight around 10 p.m. You can do this, Warjack.
Hello, boss.
Hi, I'm calling you from Bora Bora. An employee
Called Moon told me that you were 3 minutes late this morning. What happened?
This son of a dog. He snitched on me. I should never trust the interns.
Sorry, boss. It won't happen again. I was just in traffic.
Okay. Next time, you are fired. And this call's fee will be paid off your salary.
Bye.
Hey, you. Why are you watching me? Do you want my picture?
You have a problem, homie. Come here, we will fix this issue right now.
Another fight. I'm really tired of these chads. All in the muscle, nothing in the head.
Attention, please. Due to a problem regarding L3, all subways will be delayed by 15 minutes. Thanks for your comprehension.
Okay. My shift is finished. Finally some time to rest. Let's go back home.
Welcome to the great show. Tonight someone gets away with $100,000.